Okay, it's update time. Let's go to old Elvis off the radio plane here right now, or else we're gonna piss off the YouTube guys out there. Let's get them off. There we go. Elvis is off. Okay, what's going on? Well, y'all remember the '69 Chev pickup that we're doing for the gentleman? There it is right there. It's back. The factory medium olive green, they call it. Now, this guy's not building a show truck, but it's going to look like one, in my opinion, kind of. He's just doing a complete frame off because it was rusty. So he's doing it himself. He took it all apart. He's going to put it all back together. But he said, you know what? He may as well paint it apart. That's the way it's going to be. So there it is. So we've got the cab all done. The doors are in another room. You know, when you see this truck all faded out, you don't think much of it. But when you see that paint on there now, isn't that beautiful? The white top. Yes, we'll come around here. Got the fenders over here, or at least one fender. There's a fender there. So he's going to come and pick this up this week, and then we're going to go on to the box. Now, we also got in a 70 Charger. Now, some of you guys have been watching forever. You're probably thinking, oh no, is this going to be like the 68 Charger build? No, this is going to be done properly. This guy actually understands to buy the proper parts, to do the car with the proper parts, and just, you know, he just gets it. Where some people out there, we all know, 68 Charger guy, he didn't get it. Anyway, this guy does. So his whole idea on this car is obviously we're going to do all the metal work. There's a lot to do. You can see inside the battery area is rotted out, you know. The floors have got some rust here and there. This quarter needs replacing. Look at it up on top of here. Look at that. Isn't that the whole, you know, you can see across the top of the roof line there. Yeah. Then we've got, oh, let me get around here. There's so much shit in our yard here these days. Oh, you can't, the chunk is gone. All in the wheel well area, either side. Oh, so she got dropped off yesterday. And, yeah, it's a complete. But this guy, you know what? He wants to do it nice, but he also said, you know, he's not building the Trailer Queen. He said, here's a guy again. He said, yeah, I'm going to drive it in the summertime, not the winter. He goes, but you know what? I'm going to run it down to Mission Raceways. We have a track out here called Mission Raceways. Look it up. He goes, I'm going to run it out there on the odd Friday, Saturday evening when I want. And I'm going to take her down the strip. He's going to have fun with it. He's got some kids. He's going to ride around with the wife and the kids in it. He's just going to enjoy it. That's the way it should be. You work hard in this world for what you get, for your money, and you should, when you build something like this, or whatever it may be, you should enjoy it after. Why just leave it sit in the garage, right? Okay, now here's the hood over here for the 69 pickup again. So here we go there. Now, we'll come around here. Just give me a sec. I'm just going to click this. Here we got the Nova. You remember the Nova we were working on? It's all done. Customers coming to get it. Tuned up, ready to go. Disc brake conversion kit, some glass work done. Front end work, you name it. And the other fender now for the 69. You can see it's scattered. This is a scattered up video for you guys. You know the 66 Chev pickup we're doing? Well, here's the front sheet metal. We yarded that all apart yesterday. Yeah, we're playing catch up here. We missed you guys in a couple videos. Basically because I decided to take a little time and relax. The 56 Ford, it's up, it's running. We're going to give it a bath today, and it's pretty much done. It's running good. Now, the Camaro, the 67. We're working on this. We're waiting on a couple door hinges for the front doors, but we have been working on it. As you can see here. Yeah, this video is going to suck, guys. But I'm just trying to play catch up with you guys because I'm getting so far behind here. God, we haven't had a rant. We haven't had a remember when. What the fuck is going on? You remember the gaps? Look at, fixed all that up. Remember that? Yeah. Got her all fixed up. Got it looking good there now. Nothing like a little cut and weld, right? And of course then we got a layout here of all these Porsche parts. Yes, I'm doing a Porsche. That's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. It's just it's new for us, you know, so it's just getting used to a few things, but hey, we can handle it. We can handle anything there. And then we got the 66 Chev pickup, which you see here. This is in final primer now, inside and out. And that's about it. That is all that's going on. So, I'll get caught up on these videos. We'll get life rolling again, like it should be. And remember, it's always a good time, an old time, and we'll see you next time.